Well, after Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman hit out at the Lok Sabha, leader of the opposition Rahul Gandhi accusing him of quote-unquote baseless statements on India's public sector banks, Congress has now targeted Union Finance Minister as well. The face-off now comes after Rahul Gandhi in a post alleged that the public sector banks are being quote-unquote forced to prioritize profit over people and thus unable to serve the public effectively. Our senior editor Pallavi Ghosh joins us back on the broadcast. Pallavi, please help us put that into perspective for our viewers, this ongoing war between the finance minister as well as the leader of the opposition over the private sector banks.
Yesterday, Rahul Gandhi had put out a series of video in his interactions, and we see his video interactions with different sections of the society, and he claims he spoke to some representatives of the banking sector and they told him about the huge downturn as far as the banking sector is concerned, and that is where a strong rebuttal has come in from the finance minister Nirmala Sitharaman herself. And yesterday, once again, she took to a social media platform and she actually gave out details and statistics to show that how the banking sector now is robust. It is safe, and once again she tells this to Rahul Gandhi that once again you are peddling facts which are not factually correct as all, because you want to push forward a narrative. Rahul Gandhi's pitch is very simple, that as far as the economic growth story is concerned, India is actually not seeing that economic growth, and important benchmarks or barometers of economic growth, for example the banking or the insurance sector, all of them are seeing a slowdown. And this is what has been pointed out by the government and by the finance minister on multiple platforms, and also last night, making the point that unlike the UPA times, that most of the frauds and the corruption cases involve the banking sectors by giving bad loans. Under the Modi government, we have actually made this sector more secure. More and more people are paying back their loans. The interest rates are much lower than before, and the entire system is in control.
Right, Pallavi, thank you so much for joining us with all of those details and helping us put that into perspective for our viewers as well. We'll keep coming back to you for more details on that story. Right now, it's time for a quick commercial break here on CNN News 18. Do stay with us. We'll come right back with more on the other side.